Hello traders, welcome back to another video on the channel. I know it has actually been a while since the last video, but we've had some great trading days since then, so I'm going to quickly put up on the screen here the trade I sent to my members on this Monday, so the 8th of March. We entered those gold shorts. There'll probably be a video soon about the analysis and why we took that trade, but we ended up closing that 12% profit on one trade, risking 1%. If you risk 2%, 24% profit in one trade. Pretty much no drawdown, straight into profit, 18 pip stops. Absolute perfection. And then we were targeting a bit lower, but we closed out at around 12%. Beautiful trading. But yeah, if you want to join, follow my trades, link in the description down below. I do share all my analysis and stuff like that as well. We're currently looking at gold now. CPI news was today, and gold has now broken out this little consolidation zone, but now it's retesting and pushing back into that zone. So we'll see what happens with gold the end of this week and on to next week. But yeah, follow my Instagram for all the updates on there. But in today's video, I do just want to talk about why I only trade gold, why I only trade one pair, because a lot of traders you probably follow trade maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs even, and I was the same a few months ago. I was trading gold, pound Aussie dollar, euro JPY, GBP JPY, euro pound. I used to trade loads of different pairs, and since I switched to just trading gold, my win rate has just gone through the roof. I say my win rate before used to be around 60%. Like, I wasn't winning a lot of trades. My risk to reward wasn't the best. But since we started this year, the first month, like January, I'd say I traded a bit of pound Aussie dollar as well. We took 2 trades on it. I think one of them hit take profit and one we closed about around partial profit, halfway to the first take profit, pretty much break even, I'd say. Yeah, when we had that massive win streak on gold, I think we had 10 gold trades at the start of the year, no losses. Like, we were killing gold. So obviously, when you're winning trades like this, every trade you enter on gold wins. You have maybe 1 loss out of 10 trades. It's like, why would I trade any other pair? If I'm winning this much on gold and getting this amount of percentage gain every week, why would I change? So that's when I just went full in on gold. I started backtesting it. I started focusing all my time on gold, entering 1 or 2 trades per week. I know that's not a lot. Most people enter a trade a day, 2 or 3 a day. But I found if you wait for the perfect setup and you wait for that to hit a perfect zone and you enter, you can get incredible trades. Like, the start of the year, I was maybe getting 2 to 3% profit per win. You can probably see on my VIP results, the trades at the start of the year were maybe 2.3%, 2.5% per win. But now, each win is like 8%, 12%, 7%. It's like, these wins are big. And you think about it, if you have a 12% win, you need now 12 losses to be at break even, 13 losses to be in negative. So if you wait maybe for this one trade, I'm happy waiting a week with no trades and then have one trade that's 12%. Because say I entered 5 trades, 2 of them won. No, say I entered 5 trades that week instead. 3 of them won, and let's say 2 of them lost. So, and we're using a 1 to 2 how I used to trade. So the 3 that won, 6% profit. 2 that I lost, minus 2%, so that's 4%. So we're up 4% on those 5 trades. If we waited for 5 of these gold trades, I won my last 5 gold trades. And this week, we're up 12%. Last week, we're up 9%. So that's already 21% in 3 trades on gold. 21%. You see, you could have passed your FTMO challenge and verification in 2 of my trades. So, that's why I'm excited to do FTMO at the end of this month when I turn 18. But yeah. But I'd say if you actually want to master Forex, you want to be making profitable trades every month. Although it might not be a lot of trades per month, but it will be profitable trades. And I can guarantee that if you put in the time to maybe 1 or 2 pairs, then you can make some serious money trading. A lot of the top traders, you see Q Banks trades US 30. You see Sean Lee gold, GBP AUD, you see these one or two pairs, Daniel Savage, GBP JPY, they all focus on one pair, which is their go-to pair, which they make most of their profit on, most of their money on. I'm the same with gold. I found it moves quite nicely. There's always big moves. Although right now we're pretty much consolidating, and I'm not trading the rest of the week. I hit my target. I'm happy with that. 12%, beautiful trading. And that's also what I wanted to say. If you've hit a target, maybe you've hit your loss limit, minus 3%, let's say, for a week, stop trading, because you'll just start revenge trading. You'll start forcing trades, entering trades which don't fit your plan fully, and maybe you just need to take a little break, a few days off over the weekend, and then get back to it, because it can make you force trades, and that's never good. You start up in the lot size, which what I see a lot of people do, and yeah, it's not a good recipe for growing an account if you're revenge trading. I'm on the charts now, and I'm quickly going to show you what I'm looking at for gold and why I trade this pair. So, as you see, my last 4 trades on gold, I had this buy here. This was simple trading. Anyone could trade like this. What do we have? Break, retest, boom. Traded it to the nearest structure. What was that? 7.5% profit. This one, break, retest. This was a different strategy, but you can look at it as a break and retest pretty much of this zone. Here again, you just have price. Again here we had a nice trade, and this week this was our beautiful 12% trade. If we extend this out to where it hit, there we go, and lock it back. As you see, we're actually looking at gold sells up here, but I was actually asleep. It was like 3-4 AM when gold actually started dropping, but this was based on some fundamentals and obviously a little bit of technicals as well. But yeah, today, what do we have? Consolidation on gold after this massive bullish push up. Price came down, CPI news came out, gold has spiked up. And this is because gold is pretty much a safe haven now. So yeah, we could see gold rise again. I've been waiting for gold to hit this target up here, the 1950 target. I've been waiting for a while, so hopefully we can see that now. We've come down into these lows, so yeah, hopefully this is our next target now. If gold can remain technically bullish, because we've broken out of this zone now, because we did actually have this zone down here, so we've broken out now, so hopefully we can see price go to the upside now. That's all my bias on this, but yeah, obviously we'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll see what happens this week on gold. You can follow my trades in the link in the description. What I like to do is actually go down lower time frames. So as you can see, we had this little zone here, boom, 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 boom. We're consolidating, so we're not really looking for any trades. We're looking for these breakouts. So what do we have? Breakout here. I knew that gold was going to spike and then drop back down, so I wasn't looking to enter anywhere on here. And as you see, break, retest. You know, this is simple trading. Anyone could have entered on this retest. You know, even if you have a stops just below this big wick here, and you target, let's say you're targeting, I don't know, yeah, we have, yeah, up here, let's say up there. Let's say you're targeting up there. What is that risk to reward? You know, 1 to 6, we could say. 1 to 6. Boom. Small stops, you'd already be 40 pips in profit, so you'd be over, let's see, you know, you'd already be 2.5% in profit already, just from a simple break retest. And people say trading is complicated. It's not, it's easy. If you bring the charts down, because you see people with all these indicators on, they have everything. Like, it's just, there's no need at all. I don't use any indicators, I don't use anything. Simple price action strategies. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you focus on trading one pair alone. If it did, drop a like, subscribe, and if it didn't, dislike, and I'll see you in the next video.